Hey, what's up, Street Dogs? The Eric from the Eric Truth Driver blog. So I just want to give you a shot of what our apartment looks like, paying around like $600 a month in Airbnb. So if you just kind of look around, it's pretty nice. It's pretty big. It's nice and clean and minimalist. And if you just kind of look around our apartment, here's our little kitchen. We've been making some good coffee with our Clever Dripper. Got a new fridge here. And this is where a lot of our creative work gets done. Our living room, our bathroom, pretty big, good size, and it's a 1 bedroom. So yeah, here's our bedroom, big enough for all of us, for me and Cindy. Here you can see my laptop charging, and this is actually where Cindy's doing her epic standing desk. So yeah, the Mexico City, I think, is actually one of the most underrated places for digital nomads or people living abroad. There's so much to do here, so much to experience here. There's so much greatness with the city I cannot just put into words. The food, the culture, the people, the lower cost of living. Apparently the US dollar goes 20 times X here. Hopefully you guys could visit one day.